Hello, everybody. Welcome back to KevKreates. Today, we're going to be doing episode 2 of Trash to Treasure. I got a couple sales in today that really gave me some inspiration over this, and I thought to myself, I might as well make the episode about something I've actually sold recently and show you just another item that you can start adding into your inventory or just start, you can just keep it in mind the next time that you are sourcing or, the next time that you are out and about. So this customer, Emma from Brunswick, Ohio, she ordered the last two of my Chick-fil-A keychains. My sister actually gave me, I believe she gave me 10 of them. I was originally selling them for 6.50 a piece. I dropped the price down to $4 because I'm trying to clear out all of my inventory that's not 3D printed right now to free up space because I'm trying to expand my listings to be a replicatable inventory that I don't have to source anymore. I'm trying to stop sourcing entirely and just have stuff that we can manufacture in-house. So I dropped the price down. We cleared these out. Originally had 10. I've sold all 10 now. Uh, but I just thought like this is just a great niche to sell out of. Keychains are pretty big on eBay, on Etsy, online in general. Everybody has one in their car keys at this point. So you're always going to have customers because customers always want to have stuff in their car keys. So very easy to ship. I got my shipping as low as 103. I've already pre-packed it right now. So I actually made, a little bit of money on the shipping as well. But that's not the point of this video. The point is trash to treasure. People throw away this kind of stuff every single day, or they pass it up on the street all the time, even whenever they're out and about. My sister managed to get these for free. I think whenever she went to the rodeo, and people just gave them to her because no one had any interest in them. Well, I've made about 30 bucks in total, like in terms of profit after taxes, shipping, fees. I think I've made about 30 bucks just off of selling keychains. Easy to pack. They don't take very much effort at all. So I thought, yep, we're going to make episode 2 about this. So let's go into it. Chick-fil-A is not the only place that you can start sourcing this stuff from. Taco Bell is a big one. Even the lanyards are going to make you money. Like like 12 bucks plus 5.50 in shipping. That is not bad. Uh, Chiaro, it doesn't even have to be vintage. You can sell the current ones as well. 1990s. The vintage stuff does go quickly, but if you can even get some of the current stuff, it'll sell. Let's Taco Bell. Let's go to Chick-fil-A. If you can find anything like this, see, look, that was me. Chick-fil-A. Panda Express was surprising to me though. Like, if you can find anything from Panda Express, you can get higher markups on it. And then Burger King. Anything Burger King, like the Pokemon stuff, is going to sell immediately. From what I'm seeing, if you can get any of the vintage stuff, it goes for high dollar. People buy this stuff. So I wanted this to be a short video, especially because I gotta pack up my orders today. Like and subscribe. Leave a comment below if you found anything like this recently. I'm gonna be releasing more videos, like short format videos, just because they're easier for me to put out and they're more concise. Uh, if you have any suggestions for what I should do for the next video, leave that down below. Until then, this is Kev Creates. Y'all have a good day.